Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
That'll be all right.
Yeah. You're really built into the vehicle.
Yeah.
Nice work.
It's clean.
It's clean, yeah. Where's your battery bank?
Underneath the box in the front. I have 2 batteries.
Okay.
I have 2 80 amp hour lithium.
Yeah. All right. I like the vehicle paint style too. Yeah, looks good. Is there a way I can see under the hood too? Nice. This is a Blazer, right?
Yeah.
What year?
93.
93, okay. And your batteries are actually under the box.
Yeah, right here, 2 battery box.
Oh, okay. Got it. So you can still access them. Sweet. That looks good. You're good. So your name and what's in here, all your equipment. Go ahead, man.
What is Brian Armstrong? 4 Brutal Sounds, 5K strapped at 1.6%. And I got 6 ZV, not ZV shit. What are these? The Sundown X V3s.
Yep. Okay. Did you build this?
No, UAF.
Okay.
Kenny over there, UAF built it.
I like the kind of this different style of the ovalish port.
Right.
Did you? Oh, it's a 4th order. So do you know like your tunings on this port, roughly?
It's roughly, it's tuned real low. Plays between 23. The port's tuned at like 50, I think.
Okay. It still plays lows pretty well.
Yeah, it definitely does pretty. It likes the lows.
Yeah.
Well, the Sundown X's do.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Oh gosh, something popped.
Every now and then, I have to roll it because I'm at 1.67.
Yeah, so you're below 1 ohm on the amp on some of them.
But yeah, they're stable to half ohm. I have good voltage. It's just if I don't watch it right off the rip.
Yes, sir. Nice. And you haven't done any work on the roof here. This is still stock right here.
Yeah, I lose a lot.
Everyone, to me inside of you, nothing like that bottle when it tips you. Good God, look at you doing such a good job. Come for me, baby.
Let's say you have something a little windier or maybe a little lower.
Yeah, so I'm trying to look for it.
Who that is? Look in the back of my house, got it on the loud system. Last time I started, this time she gon' get the whole my baby mama say I'm reckless. I'm like, that's slow. She say my son acting like he can't take the road. Still moving, need another story. And if you talking about colors, what I got, the last girl I did it, that bitch got put that on salt, nigga, that's on my turf. Riding in the wind, ride in the wind, and this shit ain't fucking, this shit flying. Come to me, baby, you don't gotta wait for me. I want you to get nice. Yeah, I want you to get nice. Yeah, I want you to get nice.
Pressure is really good, like, and it's musical flat response too. Nice job, Ed.
That's what I like about it, because as you can see, I heard the tools.
Yeah.
So I play rock music and
Like
everything.
highs, lows, middle, yep, everything.
And I like that punchiness when it gets
Yeah.
to the top.
Yeah, that's what that sealed section of the fourth helps with too. Nice to meet you again, man.
Yeah, no worries, man.
Yep, you have a good day.
Yeah, you too, bro.